Hi, this is Dirk from V&B Auto Sales. Gonna start up our Challenger here, 72. Originally a 318 car, now is a strong running 340. Tack works. Gauges all coming up. You hear the radio in the background. Heater core is not hooked up. Fan works, so yeah, fan works. Wipers work. And we'll take a look at the lights and take a listen. Good running car. Manual brakes, power steering. Headlight issue right now. Yeah, tail lights are working. Maybe we got a dimmer switch. A lot of times. Yep, dimmer switch is just acting up. Throaty. Good running sounding motor. 605-695-7391.